50 years ago, almost to the minute, at 3 o'clock on Saturday, May the 8th, 1954, the very first train broke a white tape here, almost at this point, to open the new track at that time. In 1954, the track just made a circuit around the bowling green. But since then, as many of you know, we've extended way up into the field behind the clubhouse, and we now have about half a mile of track. We know that you all enjoy riding here because we had a tally up last weekend and we found that we had actually carried, in the 50 years, 1,100,000 passengers from this railway.
I'm